Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create a Facebook page. So before starting this video, I am requesting you all to kindly subscribe this channel, and if you have already subscribed this channel, press the bell icon. So let's start the video. Open your browser and sign in to your Facebook account. If you don't have Facebook account already, I have created a video. Kindly watch this, how to create a Facebook account. I will add the link in description for your ease. So after opening your Facebook account, click here and click on create a page. You have to choose your category of page, what kind of page you want. So I will create a technology page. So I will select science, technology and engineering. You have to put here the page name. I will make this on Munir Tech and click on get started. So the page is created and you can upload a picture from here. So I will upload some picture. I will select this picture as my profile picture. Click on save, and for cover picture, click add a cover. Choose from photo. So there is okay, I will make this photo as my cover as well. Click on save. After that, you have to click on about. You must fill out these things. So that's how, friends, you can create a Facebook page very easily. Kindly like this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, leave a comment, I will answer you. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will be back with another good video. Have a good day.